category is Big Three, submitted by the sector group Micro and Nanotechnologies, sector group Biochem and sector group Materials. The Big Three activities brought together 246 participants from 24 different countries. They were able to network, pitch for Horizon 2020 proposals, establish new contacts and visit potential partners in the region, ranging from startups, companies, up to universities and research institutions.
Right. So working together is also a topic of the next best practice from the agri-food sector group. It's Tour d'Europe. That's a kind of tailor-made matchmaking, focusing on buyers and their needs. You all know that it's really special, isn't it? So they are also including Skype meetings and tasting sessions.
They taste very good, actually.
Yeah.
And hopefully they've got quite a lot of PAs out of this Tour d'Europe. Otherwise, they should talk to our third nominee, which is the environment sector group. How to double your achievements in 1 year?
So what about achievements?
Well, actually, I'm wondering, and I'm thinking about it. If everybody here in the room knows what an achievement is, although we have an awful lot of guidelines.
Yeah. I know, but please stop. We need to respect the network values, right? So.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, the environment sector group doubled their achievements by taking actions to improve their group activities, the sector group meetings and communications. So little steps make a big difference.
Right, so again, excellent applications. But how to choose a winner?
Let's go this way. The 12 points go to...
Oh, no. My goodness. We are not at the Eurovision Song Contest. Remember, we've done that before.
Really?
It's the Best Practice Awards.
Okay.
Sector group.
Yeah, okay. I got mixed up because of our thrilling performance this time.
Yeah, okay. Got it. So, please present out the next winner and give a big applause for José Pich Pilar.
Good morning. It's my pleasure to announce that the Enterprise Europe Network Sector Group Prize for Best Practice goes to Sector Group Agrofood.
So, please come on stage, Julio Carreras, Caroline Grace-Stevens, Laura McLean, and Milen Restos, please. Pascal? Thank you.
Okay, so just a few words. First of all, it's a sentence of Albert Einstein who said that insanity is doing the same things over and over again and expecting different results. So I think this is the basic idea of Tour d'Europe. It's a new kind of event to achieve results. And it is a pity not to be here Patrick de Mulder, Yada Platania, and Marie Destre, and David Walker, who has the ones who have pushed this good practice, and I'm here representing them, but it's like an empty but okay, thank you to all of them, and thank you to all of our food sector group colleagues who has participated in the good practice. So, okay.